Now children, today let's start with chapter number 2, that is likes and abilities. So in this chapter, let's study about likes and abilities. Therefore, everyone have their members of the family live together under one roof. They have lot of similarities. They also differ. भाई किसी को कुछ अच्छी लगती है, किसी को कुछ चीज़ें नहीं अच्छी लगती. If we talk about food, clothing, hobbies, style, taste or anything, सबकी क्या होती है, अलग अलग होती है. तो differences in taste can be seen in the color preference, sports habits, food habit. We also witness difference in mental attitude between the various members of the class. Someone enjoy dancing while someone enjoy reading books, newspaper. Some like playing outdoor games while someone enjoys playing indoor games like Ludo and Carom. So some wants to pursue a career in computers while some wants to be a doctor. So वो differ करता है family members to family. So let's study about the factors that influence our dislikes and likes. First is our family. ये important role play करती है. Children belonging to the vegetarian family generally like vegetarians. फिर आपका cultural background की हम बात करें. So people of different region have their different culture और अपने culture को, अपने food habits को prefer करते हैं and they differ in their choice of clothes and even the taste. भाई North India में लोगों को rice, दाल, pulses वगैरह खाना पसंद है. भाई South की अगर हम बात करें तो इडली डोसा वगैरह खाते हैं, तो ये difference है. Our like and dislike controlled by the environment relatives. Listen to classical music whereas some cousin living in abroad. भाई जो यहाँ रह रहे हैं वो क्या सुनते हैं, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक पे सुनते हैं, और जो अब्रॉड रहते हैं वो वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक सुनते हैं. मेंटल स्टेट. Sometimes we listen to loud music while some other situation when we get irritated by the same. होता है ना कभी कभी उसी loud sound से क्या म्यूजिक से क्या हो जाता है, irritated. Now some special people. Let's study about some special people, special need. Most of our family here speak and listen properly, but there are some members in the family who cannot see or walk or hear or speak. What we call them deaf and dumb, who are not able to speak and hear. They express with their themselves through sign language. कैसे express करते हैं अपने आप को? Sign languages के थ्रू. The person who limp can do many activities like we do, but they use wheelchair to move from one place to another. Blind person cannot see the world around, but he can read and write in Braille. So Braille is a script for blind people, blind लोगों के लिए, in which letters and numbers are formed with a raised dot and can be read by touching them. The people who are not able to make one or more their senses, उनको हम differently able कहते हैं. Sometimes other senses are more developed. भाई एक sense खराब है, हो सकता है दूसरा ज़्यादा developed हो. These people are sent to special school along with the formal education. They are also trained in craft work, जैसे net, basket weaving, so they can earn their living. In such schools, they learn to be self-dependent and express themselves clearly. A healthy attitude of a society towards the physical challenged people, what it gives to them, it's give them need of support, space, privacy, scope to make them feel that they are respected for their individuality. What they need most, सबसे ज़्यादा उन्हें क्या चाहिए? Love चाहिए, support चाहिए, but not sympathy, not talents. If given the right opportunity and platform, they cannot be competent to anything. Right? Here the story worldwide came Kabuta October 15 को to raise awareness about the needs of the blind and visually impaired people. यहाँ पे आपको case study दी है. First of all, we will talk about Louis Braille, the word that not only it's possible for a person to overcome his physical challenge, but ये इसको help करती है. So an ancient at the age of other, Louis blind, in spite of learn to play different musical instruments, cello and organ, and become an excellent musician. Right? It was called Braille's fit, बल थोड़ी raised होती थी, सब उसको touch करके read करते थे, right, by the fingers. Helen Keller, she was famous American education and author, right? She was just half-year old and she lost her eyesight as well as a sense of hearing. She wanted to read and write and become the first person, a first deaf and blind person to earn a bachelor of arts degree, that is BA degree. Right? She went to become a world famous speaker and author, and later Helen told that she would encourage, educate what differently able people like her. Right? This was all in this society. So we should have differently able people and give them love and support. Right? This is all for today. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.